case final drives and axles differentials. I've made this video I don't know how many times, and it's long every single time, so I'm going to try to shorten it. How to identify your axle to help us help you. Simple. Axle diameter. Where are your two boats? Narrow or wide? Most of the time your tractor model will tell you that, but same cast number, machined differently. So cast number doesn't help. So wide frame tractor, narrow frame tractor. This is a fit all, but you don't see these very often. So if they were all made like this, it wouldn't matter. So here again, narrow frame, axle size. Wide frame, axle size. Jump up to the Steiger 350, Steiger 370, 420, 470, where you get to the 425 series. It's if you have a 5-inch axle, you can only have one in those models. Actually, they all use the same guts. Planetaries, pinion shafts. A lot of them share differential parts. So, didn't want to make a real long video, but we're putting these into a rebuild program. And while I had everything out, some of this is internal use, but it also helps use the customer or the dealer. So when you need a final drive or an axle, we'll do some better pieces, and we'll have some better pieces online when we get this finished. But do us a favor and you a favor. Don't call in with a part number. We will need your tractor model. Your serial number really doesn't help, because especially if you get the older TG or STX tractors, they've been changed at least one time or another. You know, something else could be on it. So always start with the axle diameter. It's either going to be 100 or 102 millimeter, 115 millimeter, or 127 millimeter. And if we start there, we can get you fixed up about anything that, everything that we know. So, appreciate you watching.